Hello, good afternoon, friends. Okay, I will introduce myself. My name is Ikrawati Piadayu, study ID number 1830024. Currently, I will present material about orchitis in epidemic parotiditis infection. Definition: parotiditis is an infectious disease which in 30 to 40% of cases and symptomatic infection. This infection is caused by negative sense single-strand RNA viruses measuring 100 to 600 nanometers with a length of 15,000 nucleates belonging to the genus Rubella-virus, subfamily Paramyxoviridae, and family Paramyxoviridae. Orchidism epidemic parotiditis is not contagious but can cause death, vascular atrophy, and cow infertility. Etiology: orchitis is one of the triad complications of epidemic parotiditis. Orchitis inflammatory reaction of the testicles due to infection with the mumps virus, characterized by swelling of the testicles with pain. Early in the infection, the virus attacks the testis and interstitial perivascular tissue. This event causes an increasing intratestis pressure which can lead to testiculoatrophy. Epidemiology: parotiditis is an endemic disease in urban population. The mumps virus is ELC droplets direct contact, saliva, and urine. Pathogenesis: the incubation period of 15 to 21 days later the virus replicates in the upper respiratory tract and cervical lymph nodes. From here, the virus spreads through the bloodstream to other organs, including the lining of the brain, gonads, pancreas, breast, thyroid, heart, liver, kidneys, and nerves of the brain. After entering through the respiratory tract, the virus begins to multiply or multiplying the white epithelial cells. The virus then travels to many tissues and to the salivary glands and parotid. Early in the infection, the virus attacks the testis and causes inflammation of the testis. There is lymphocyte infiltration in the interstitial perivascular tissue. This event causes an increasing intratestis pressure which can lead to testicular atrophy. 8.10 in about 30 to 15% of cases of orchitis, testicular atrophy occurs. In the case score ledem lasted for 4 days, then disappeared. Symptoms: orchitis usually occurs 1 to 2 weeks after swelling of the parotid gland. Appears suddenly, may be accompanied by a rising temperature, headache, nausea, pain in the lower abdomen, the infected testicles painful, swollen, and the surrounding. Laboratory diagnosis: in confirmation is needed to make a diagnosis. Virus inhalation must be carried out. Virus inhalation can be carried out from saliva from 6 days before 9 days after the visible swelling of the parotid gland. The virus can also be stolen from urine from the 1st to the 14th day after the visible swelling of the parotid gland. The test staph causes the enzyme liquid immunosorbent assay. Hemagglutinin inhibition test can be confused but has cross-reaction with other parainfluenza viruses. The diagnosis of epidemic parotiditis usually does not require investigation. Serious complications of epidemic parotiditis infection are encephalitis, meningitis, orchitis, and pancreatitis, which can occur without swelling of the parotid gland. The incidence of orchitis in who have not yet puberty 14%, and in men who have puberty is 30 to 38% high. The high incidence of orchitis in epidemic parotiditis is at the age of 15 to 29 years. Prevention and treatment. Vaccination of epidemic parotiditis using attenuated live mumps virus. Epidemic parotiditis vaccine combined with measles and rubella virus vaccine mumps, measles, and rubella. Since mumps is a virus, antibiotics cannot be used to treat it, and currently there is not antiviral drug that can be used as a cure for mumps. Patients are advised to rest completely or reduce activity for some time after injury or illness to speed healing. Recovery usually only takes about 2 weeks. So, patient can also take non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs and analgesics that work to relieve pain, reduce inflammation, and reduce fever. In patients who experience swelling of the testicles, you should rest in bed. The pain can be reduced by applying ice compresses to the swollen testicular area. Those are the results of my presentation of the material. If there are any shortcomings, I apologize, and thank you.